how to fix mouse not showing in Roblox. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up your computer search and just search for device manager. Now click on it. From this list, you want to select mice and other pointing devices. Find your mouse here with this name, right click on it, and then update driver. Once you have done this, see if that fixes it for you. If it still doesn't, then what I suggest doing is simply unplugging your mouse from your PC, then waiting a few seconds and plugging it back in. If again it doesn't work, the last thing that I suggest doing is opening up your computer search, type run, click on this, and you want to search for percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK. This is going to load up a folder. Click on any folder, type R so you find Roblox, and you just want to delete this folder. Right click on it and just delete it. This should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.